uploading allows you to transfer supported file types from other programs, like Excel, into the Insights platform for analysis. This is useful for companies switching over from Excel or other database programs, or when you're working with clients who don't have the Insights platform at all.
I can upload files into the platform to perform an analysis on supported files, like CSV and TXT files, or compressed versions of these files. The table uploader walks me through setting delimiters and headers, formatting data, and specifying column and table information. To upload an FTP file to my FTP folder, I'll use a third-party program. To upload an FTP file from the folder, I'll choose FTP folder, select a file, then follow the same steps to import and upload.
Sometimes the best way to find trends and see differences in data is to visualize that data in the form of charts. This is particularly true for the very large data sets that 1010 Data is built to handle. The 1010 Data Insights platform provides a mechanism to generate high-quality charts, which in turn can support the notion of visual data discovery. Numerous chart types are supported in the Insights platform, including two-dimensional bar charts, pie charts, histograms, and bubble charts, as well as three-dimensional scatter charts and surface charts. In addition, stacked, stepped, and percentile bar chart types are provided. A number of chart types for visualizing financial data are also available, including Kagi, Renko, and candlestick charts.
You can save your analysis as a quick query. You can use this tool to return to an analysis later on, or share your analysis with other Insights platform users. You can share folders, tables, and quick queries that you own with other 1010 users using the Object Manager. You can also export tables as data files, which you could then share via email or a file sharing service.
A quick query saves the operations I've performed, not the data. I can also export analysis results to share with others. Sometimes you won't be working directly in the 1010 Data platform. Some users in your organization may use the tool, but you, and many others that work with you, can still enjoy the powerful big data processing benefits of 1010 Data right from within Microsoft Excel. This is possible thanks to the 1010 Data Excel add-in. Using the 1010 Data Excel add-in, you can run a query on 1010 Data from Excel and download results directly into an Excel worksheet. You can also upload data from an Excel worksheet to a 1010 Data session. We've covered pretty much everything you would need to get up and running with the platform.
And if anyone were to ever get stuck, the Documentation Center offers guidance on every aspect of the 1010 Data platform.
And if you still can't find what you're looking for, you can always contact your friendly support team at 1010 Data. Remember that you already have the knowledge and skills to perform great analysis on your data.